Okay, ladies and gentlemen, walk around video on this 18-foot, that is a 16-foot flat deck, 2-foot dove car haul trailer. The first thing I want to walk up to, this is kind of a specialty trailer. It's a 2001, but this trailer's a lot been done to it. This has got the heavy-duty Bulldog hitch, which is a really nice plus on trailer. It's not the cheap hitch, it's the high-dollar hitch. It's got the 8,000-pound Bulldog drop leg jack, which has been added. Really nice option right here. This trailer has got the 1 3/4 thick rough cut lumber that they've treated all the way through. This is really good size trailer. It's got the wrap tongue, so that tongue's a channel tongue, wraps all the way from the front all the way to the front of the axle. So it's going to give you about 12 inches of a tongue right there all the way through, 12 inch of frame all the way to the front of your axle. It's got really nice set from last year. These tires put on 23. These are 14 ply all steels. This is the ones you get where you don't have no flats or no worries. It's got new rims on here. As you can see, it's a really nice trailer. It's a very good looking trailer. This is one done up right. You can't go buy a trailer from a manufacturer built like this. This trailer's been custom. It's got the LED lights all the way throughout the back. It's got the ramps that pull at the back right there. It's like I said, it's 18 foot long. It's a car haul trailer. Nice trailer here. On an auction, so I can find this piece from the Southwest Louisiana. All time about. Thank you.